Good morning, Paul. It's Brittany from Autofair Honda here to show you the 2021 Kia Telluride EX in black. You got these nice dual tone rims. Looks really clean. Power folding side mirrors, roof rails, privacy tinting in the back windows. Let's check out the back here. There we go. It is a power lift tailgate. You got all season mats from the previous owner. This is a 3-row vehicle, and those seats do go down if you need more room for storage. Black leather interior as well, really sleek and classy. Armrests and a walking row in the center. You got all sorts of pockets for your guests as well. Sunshades if they want a nap. Keyless entry. Power adjustable seats with lumbar support. Looks really well maintained. You got a sunroof. A very large display screen here. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got a heated steering wheel. I believe heated seats, yep, right here, and ventilated on both sides. A really cool center console here. All sorts of drive modes as well. This looks removable, so you have a ton of space in there. Really, really cool design. They did a great job with this car. That's why they're so popular. Got the wood grain in here too. You can take or make calls from right here at the steering wheel, and you do have some sensing features. It looks like adaptive cruise control, blind spot indicator. It only has 77,808 miles. Really well maintained, and it does come with a 3-year, 125,000 mile powertrain warranty. This one is not going to last. It's priced very competitively. My goal is just to make this the easiest car buying experience you've ever had. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, but I will be following up with you. I hope you have a great day, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you so much for your time.